Hi there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your PlayStation 1 controller. We're going to be tearing it down from this all the way down to this. Let's get started. Let's flip the controller over to gain access to the 8 Phillips head screws securing the case together. Now, with those removed, you can gently separate the two halves of the controller. Let's focus on the bottom half for now. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws that secure the trigger frame to the case. You can now remove the trigger buttons from the frame. Let's move on to the top half now. Simply pull up on the trigger assemblies and the motherboard to remove it from the case. To disassemble the bumpers, push the tabs in the middle towards each other to release the board from the frame. Now lift off the carbon dot pad to gain access to the tabs that hold in the button. And just like before, push the tabs towards each other to release the button. And for the other side, just do the same process as before. Let's focus on the top half again. Simply lift off the carbon dot pads for the D-pad, face buttons, and the start and select buttons. Then you should be able to remove the D-pad spring and D-pad, as well as all the face buttons. There we go, a completely disassembled PlayStation 1 controller. If you guys have any ideas as to what you want to see next, let me know in the comments below. Hope this helped.